All right, I got this. Had to go down to the post office and pick this up today. It's a Fab 100, I guess. Pretty nice bitting. Pretty cool lock. Let's see if I can open it up on camera. Out of the box. This keyway. Let me show you this keyway. This keyway is kind of on the tight side. May use bottom of the keyway. I guess I can show you my approach to new locks sometimes. Because it's somewhat paracentric and it looks like, oh, you know what? Actually, I can go straight through with a deep enough. Okay, well, I may just do top of the keyway then. Use my Sparrow's 15 thousandths. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. I can reach all of those, and it looks like maybe a 40 thousandths. Yep, 40 thousandths fits just right in there. Let's go through the stacks. One is binding really nice. Oh, my pick wants to slip off the warding. All right, well, gotta click out of one. Shoot, I'm gonna have to. It's not quite gonna work. Let's see if I can. It sucks that I saw the key because now I know that 2 is no lift. Okay, that was like 4. Oh, okay. Well, that was not a very hard lock to open. Should I do it again? Make sure it's not a fluke, or should I just gut it? You know, I'm just gonna gut it because dang, I thought that this would be harder. You know what I'm gonna do? So the reason that I just cut these in half, one sec. So the reason that I cut these in half is because I don't have the proper tools to gut them. And I have 3 keys. If I cut it in half, it becomes 2 locks. And I have plenty of keys. It's a good lock for a trade or, you know, mostly a trade. Maybe give it away. Who knows? All right, I'm gonna chop this. All right, got that chopped. Now let's gut it. Got here a clip on the back. Probably gonna be safest to shim it. All standard, it looks like. pretty sure these are all standard. Oh, shoot. All right, let me find that. No, you know what? Here, I'll get the rest. Oh, okay, no, there's a spool. I did not feel any spools, but there is at least 2 so far. Holy crap, this thing. 3 spools, at least 1 standard. Standard springs. Nice long standard springs. All right, let me find that other pin. All right, the first pin was a standard. All right, you know, I'll reassemble it. I'll take you through that process, I guess. So, one is a really high cut. I'm gonna leave. The reason I'm leaving the key in it is to make sure that I got them all in the right spot. Because if you put the wrong one in the wrong spot, then one will be sitting higher than the rest. But the key all the way in, you can see, oh, you know what? I wanted to look for countermilling. Nope, nothing. Just a nice standard. No milling in there either. And for reassembly, I'll drop a spring in there. I go from the back to the front. It's just personal preference. You just slide them in. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to show you on camera. It's kind of hard with how long these springs are, but once I get it started, then I can push with the plug to kind of make it bind. And it should be especially easy with these, if I can get them in there. Almost forgot to put the spring in. You know, these spools are not super deep. It's weird, it's crazy. I didn't get a false set or feel anything. I am thinking I'm gonna try and pick this left-handed. So I think that this is a blue belt lock. I guess I could check that stuff before I go on making a video. And you know what? I think as long as I'm real careful, I don't need to shim this. It's risky, but those top pins are going straight down, so if I put it like that, I should just be able to slide right through them. Yep, just like that. Put that clip back on. And I guess if I keep it in frame, I won't need to do another gut. All right, whatever. That clip is on there. is my first attempt at picking anything left-handed. Where did I put that tension bar? All the way over here, okay. All right, here's a left-handed. This is my first left-handed pick ever. Is that one? I can't tell. I can't even tell like what pin I'm on. All right. Well, you know what? I think that was one. It's two. Oh, you know what? I did just get a little false set. 2 clicks on 3, I think. Oh, and I'm open. All right. Well, cool. I hope that hope Lock Jockey's happy with that. I don't know if this is a hard enough lock, but I don't know why it's so easy. Maybe I'm just really good. All right, later.